Ohm. Under the seat of my Guzzi rests my big 12-inch crescent wrench, nestled with my tool side by side. Fuel line pliers, my favorite Phillips, just here for the ride. Oh, my 12-inch crescent is so fine. Guzzi broke roadside, it was my lifeline. With her tucked under my seat and by my side, my Guzzi and I are unstoppable, and we ride. So here's the journeys, the road ahead. Without my wrench, I won't be caught dead. My wrench's handle is made of fiberglass, but fuel pump broke 600 miles from home. Save my gas with her tucked under my seat